Are you looking for the best trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the best trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Jumpzilla 12-foot trampoline with enclosure. Made from high-quality materials and built to last, Jumpzilla's 12-foot trampoline offers all the fun and fitness benefits without the unwanted risk and deterioration that often plagues less expensive models. It features a galvanized, stainless steel frame, a type of construction that Price says is a sign of a stable and heavy structure. It comes with weather protection and UV treatment, ensuring your trampoline will last for many years, he says. We appreciate the included ladder, which is another crucial safety component. According to Price, it's essential to prevent any nasty falls from getting both on and off the trampoline. Jumpzilla's 12-foot trampoline also has a UV and water-resistant mat, which is also reversible, a double-sided spring cover, and a sturdy safety netting reinforced by uniquely curved poles to help keep jumpers safe from impact-related injuries. Most importantly, it complies with the ASTM F381-16 standard safety specification, which covers the components, assembly, and consumer use of trampolines to ensure their safety. With more than 4,000 5-star reviews from verified Amazon shoppers, this one checks all the boxes, plus it often goes on sale. Also great, users highlight the easy setup instructions, accompanied with all tools needed. At number 2. Zupapa 15-foot Satin outdoor trampoline with enclosure. An excellent choice for adults in need of a sturdy, high-quality trampoline that can withstand frequent use. Zupapa's 15-foot model is as capable as they come. The frame is made from hot-dipped galvanized steel, which is more rust-resistant than traditional galvanized steel. The net's poles are also coated with 10 mm thick foam for additional protection. One of the most outstanding features is the UV-resistant jumping mat, which features a double-protected design. According to Price, thick spring covers can reduce the risk of snags from little ones while jumping, and this one consists of a 15 mm layer of foam and a second layer of PVC to help it withstand constant impact without becoming stretched or damaged. We also recommend this trampoline for recreational jumpers because of its impressive bounce, which isn't surprising given its comparatively large, 15-foot frame and 108 spring construction, on the higher end for trampolines in this size group. That said, according to Price, these larger, bouncier options may not be suitable for younger children who might not have the confidence to use them yet. We also appreciate the extra high, 6-foot net, the included no-slip ladder for easy access and the rain cover to further protect it from the elements. Price also highlights additional safety features to look for, like reinforced rims between a trampoline's base and its springs, both of which the Zupapa has, with several reviewers pointing out that the padding on its outer rim fully covers its springs. At number 3. JumpFlex Hero 12-foot trampoline. This is a great option for safe family fun. It's constructed with all the safety features we recommend, starting with a dual ring frame made from high-tensile steel. We also like that it's equipped with 80 extension springs for smooth bouncing, and the bounce mat is wrapped in a zippable 360-degree safety net, minimizing the risk of falling out. The JumpFlex Hero's net enclosure also impressed us. It passed Grade 6 Intertech UV testing and meets a second ASTM standard that focuses specifically on safety requirements around trampoline enclosures. The latter is made evident in the fact that the net extends and clips onto the bottom of the mat, eliminating dangerous gaps. Beyond that, the trampoline's steel poles are curved to minimize contact, similar to our top pick, and they're padded, just in case.